October and November in Las Vegas aren't just about cooler weather and holiday prep. They're about some of the wildest, weirdest, and most wonderful events this city throws all year. We're talking haunted mazes that'll make you question every shadow, emo festivals that'll resurrect your teenage angst, and beer festivals with over 200 craft brews under the stars. But here's what most people miss. While everyone's focused on the big name headliners and strip shows, some of the best experiences are happening in places you'd never think to look. From psychic mediums at the Stratosphere to Renaissance festivals in Sunset Park, Vegas is serving up everything from supernatural sass to medieval mayhem. So whether you're here for the scares, the beers, or just want to watch grown adults joust in chainmail, we've got your complete guide to the next 2 months of Vegas chaos. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll have more weekend plans than you know what to do. Coming up, haunted mazes that'll make you question every shadow, a beer festival with 200 plus craft brews under the desert stars, a psychic medium at the Stratosphere who'll blow your mind, and a Renaissance festival where grown adults actually joust in chainmail. Plus, some locals only events most tourists never even know exist. So let's jump in. Let's kick off October with something that proves Vegas does business networking like nowhere else. October 1st brings the Las Vegas Small Business Expo to the Plaza Hotel. Think suits, swagger, and way too much business card handshaking. It's where future tycoons collide over subpar coffee and accidentally start networking frenzies that last until 2 a.m. But if business cards aren't your thing, don't worry. October's just getting started with the scares. October 2nd through 30th. The Halloween Maze haunts 8665 West Flamingo Road with jump scares, dark twists, and enough creepy vibes to make you question every shadow for the rest of the month. Now, if you need to recover from all those jump scares, here's the perfect antidote. October 3rd through 5th. Reggae Rise Up Music Festival turns downtown Las Vegas Event Center into a laid-back vibe fest. Think island rhythms, cool breezes, and reggae beats steady enough to make your heart sink to one love. But Vegas wouldn't be Vegas without some high-octane chaos happening at the same time. October 3rd and 4th, Las Vegas Showdown 2025 crashes into Las Vegas Motor Speedway. Picture giant burnout clouds, roaring engines, and tire-screeching spectacle that reminds you nothing says Vegas like horsepower and pure chaos on 4 wheels. Now, speaking of otherworldly experiences, October 3rd through 5th, Matt Fraser, psychic medium, levitates into the Stratosphere for 3 nights of supernatural sass. Brace yourself for heartfelt readings, eyebrow-raising revelations, and just enough paranormal pepper to make you say, okay, that's weird and kind of brilliant. But if you want something truly magical under the stars, October 3rd through 5th, the Rise Lantern Festival 2025 lights up Jean Dry Lake Bed in the Mojave Desert, because who doesn't want to release glowing paper lanterns under a starry sky, whisper wishes into the wind, and pretend your problems are floating off with the flames. October 4th gets even more interesting with Big Dogs Brewing Co. throwing Dogtoberfest Beer and Music Festival, that delightful mashup of furry companions, brews and tunes that you never knew you needed. On October 4th, the annual Armstrong Family and Associates Foundation Golf Tournament tees off at Alianti Golf Club, because nothing says philanthropy like pretending your swing counts when actually you're just there for charity and cocktails. Now, if you're looking for some real day action that same day, October 4th, UFC 320 hits T-Mobile Arena. Expect sweat, sweatier, sweat, and fighters attempting to punch each other into next week. October 5th brings the Craftastic Gift Show to Santa Fe Station Casino, your one-stop shop for handmade treasures, dazzling trinkets, and holiday gifts that say, I didn't just hit Amazon at midnight. Now, moving into the second week of October, October 8th, Get the Lead Out crashes into Virgin Hotels Las Vegas with a full-on Led Zeppelin tribute, so convincing you'll wonder if Page and Plant snuck in incognito. Now, October 10th through 12th is when Vegas gets really interesting with multiple festivals happening simultaneously. The Age of Chivalry Renaissance Festival takes over Sunset Park with nights, turkey legs, and enough chainmail cosplay to make you wonder if time travel is real or just really committed. Now, at the same time, the Best Friends Forever Festival hits downtown Las Vegas Event Center. Think of 3 days of music, friendship, and vibes. So nostalgic, even your high school self would approve. Now, the Pinoy Festival Las Vegas takes over Gold Coast Hotel and Casino. Expect vibrant performances, mouth-watering Filipino eats, and enough karaoke belts to resurrect the embarrassing karaoke star in you. October 10th also marks UNLV opening its hockey season at City National Arena. Expect high-energy skating, hard hits, and ice melting faster than ice cream in 110-degree weather. Now, for you speed demons, October 10th through 12th, NASCAR races into Las Vegas Motor Speedway and turns the desert into a blur of engines. Adrenaline, nothing but speed. October 11th, the Matsuri Japanese Festival blossoms into the Water District. Think traditional dance, exotic eats, and cultural flair that'll make locals' funnel cake stand feel basic. October 14th, get ready for the INFR Indian National Finals Rodeo to roll into South Point. Expect bull riding, roping, high-flying bareback heroics, and more. Then the 5-alarm chili cook-off. October 18th and 19th, When We Were Young Festival crashes the Las Vegas Festival grounds, serving up emo revival so potent even your ex's favorite breakup karaoke ballad shows up. Now, also on October 18th, the 2025 Las Vegas Book Festival takes over the historic Fifth Street School, where bookworms and casual readers collide amid author talks, literary swag, and drinks strong enough to make plot twists less confusing. Now, October 22nd and 23rd is the PBR Challenger Series Championship at South Point. Expect bull riding so intense, your stomach's gonna file a formal complaint. October 25th brings double the fun with the Las Vegas Barbecue Festival and Car Show, revving up at Red Rock Harley-Davidson. That melds smoky ribs with roaring engines. Now, on October 25th, the Downtown Brew Festival takes over Clark County Amphitheater, with over 200 craft beers, 60 breweries, local eats, and live music, all under the stars. And October 26th wraps the month with the Nevada Bridal and Wedding Expo hitting the Las Vegas Convention Center. Expect a glam bar, vendor chaos giveaway fever, and freebies that make saying "I do" feel like a bargain. Now, November 1st, the Sin City Halloween Ball takes over the theater at Virgin Hotels. Expect goth, glamour, undead dance-offs, and costumes so over the top that you wonder why every night in Vegas isn't this fabulously creepy. Also on November 1st and 2nd, the Viva Taco Festival takes over Craig Ranch Park with a full lineup, taco vendors slinging their best creations. Expect everything from street-style classics to overstuffed gourmet builds, plus margaritas, music, and just enough spice to make you question your life choices. Now, later in the month, November 21st through the 23rd, Sin City Anime 2025 invades the Orleans Hotel and Casino. Expect panels, quirky merch, and a whole lot of "who are you dressed as" vibes, all under one neon roof. October and November in Vegas, where you can literally go from psychic reading to a Renaissance festival to a craft beer tasting, all in the same weekend. Now, whether you're into haunted mazes, emo nostalgia, or watching people in medieval costumes joust over turkey legs, Vegas has you covered. The best part? Most of these events, they're happening off the strip, which means better prices, easier parking, and experiences you won't find anywhere else. Now, if this helped you plan your next Vegas adventure, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our latest finds. And if you want the real insider scoop on Vegas events, deals, and hidden gems, join our free community at Vegas Buzz at joinwhathappensInVegas.site. Until next time, keep it weird.